I think my movement was pretty good. The gas mask did good work. That was what you gave me earlier, I'm pretty sure.
They were like, where'd that fool go?
Hella long.
That shit was cool. That stair move you did? That shit was cool. Those, I think you would have got me doing that too, you know? Because then the homie locked in on the other one or tried, and then... Damn, I knew it.
That one was on the middle, he was like, wait a minute. Shit. Let's go over. That was fun.
I hope that fool that you killed was the one from the tower. Screw that dude.
I think he was. That's where he came from.
Yeah.
I threw a airstrike there. I didn't hit anyone, so they jumped off of it, but they stayed in the area.
They were probably like, wait, it's those chickens, you know? They're like, what? Because remember, you know, they saw us in the beginning.
Yeah, facts.
Like, a dude sniped me in the window. You're telling me that he's not gonna be like the chicken guy? You know what I mean?
Yeah, the chicken guy that I didn't kill earlier came back and killed me. Fuck.
Pretty much, or the, you know, the chicken crew killed it, they cleaned it. Who would have thought, you know?
Yeah, but they don't know if it's you or me, so they probably think the guy that they shot at fucking killed him. That was sick.
No, I'm stoked. That's a way to start it up without Mike, huh?
You know what I mean?
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the sky. Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
Take more than that to finish me.
Yeah, it's stormy here too. Stormy winter. Well, it's cold right now, it's only 6. I'm trying to tell you,
Resurgence.
fucking, that's why I can't even play
Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets.
And not being in a blanket.
Your team leader. Set a drop point for your squad soldier.
Wait. Oh shit, this one is on the other side. Where are we going?
I was just downtown. That's like right by the water. Crazy.
Freezing, that's not big freeze, bro.
Yeah, from the air, the water droplets.
So like snow.
And that's been sick for a while, so I'm like trying my hardest not to get sick.
Damn.
And like getting harder and harder to stay healthy. This dude's upstairs, bro.
Enemy UAV overhead.
They're on my floor. There's no way. He's one shot. He's one shot.
I'm
But
far.
it's alright. Yeah,
You're the last one
I don't know how
standing,
the fuck
soldier.
you survived.
Survive until your squad.
Well, land on me. Land on me, because I got a bunch of stuff in here. First floor.
That killed me. Oh no. That was a
Land on the first
Your
floor.
squad mate's back on station. Good work.
Fucking store. Shit's clean. I got Tonto.
Forget it.
I got an AK. I got some grenades. A decoy grenade. Yeah, little shit.
Cool.
Found a weapon.
Yeah, we left it loaded. Wanna go up there and try to take it back?
Yeah, let's go through the stairs, you know? The
Hostile
ladder.
UAV in the area.
Just like I
Enemy
know.
sentry is active.
Still. They're directly above us right now.
They'll never know.
They're not on the top floor. I guess we just hold it down here. We don't need to follow them. Oh, they're down where we were earlier. I think they followed us down and we came up. Yeah, somebody used the store.
Your squad made it to the safe
They
zone.
went down to the store.
Gas is moving.
Let's wait for them. If they're gonna come back.
Yeah, I think so. I heard somebody used loadout or something.
Dude, let's run up on them. Oh wait, your dead body's right here. So where would they be? Behind the stairs?
I don't know where they dropped the gas. I heard it, but I don't see it.
High value
Oh, I see.
contracts are in play. More risk, more reward.
Shot.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
It's alright, we can just...
Oh, someone on the first floor. Aim at the stairs. Running up right now. Yep, I just saw this one. I think he's going to the store. Yep.
Shit.
Watch your fire!
Okay, almost dead.
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
We can buy a loadout. Let's go to the roof again. Let's go to the top floor and then get loadout.
You're missing armor.
Give me your money.
Bounty contest. You're being reassigned. New priority is taking out the target.
On me,
You made top 25. Well done.
Oh, outside. He's outside. The loadout. They got it outside. Damn, that was a good gun. Yeah, next time.
Go get your revenge.
Yeah, they're in our building. That's alright. I got the money.
They're already fighting over there.
The enemy lost track of you. Good work down there.
I got armor
Loadout drop
here.
headed your way. Enemy UAV is online.
I got a gas mask right here if you need it.
TACOM, requesting recon overhead.
We can go
Marking
first.
target location.
The spot.
But if we go forward, we're gonna run into some fools. When we go backwards,
Hey, there's a dude right here. There's a dude right here in front of me. Running up these stairs.
Waypoint marked.
There's another one. Here.
Your squad's in the safe zone. Gas is closing in.
Yeah, I don't hear him. I don't know. Oh, they're on you. They're looking for you.
They're above us. Let's just go. I think I just saw him. Oh no, that was it. You that I saw. Let's just take the tunnel towards prison.
We've got 10 squads active in the field.
It's a fake bunker. Isn't there a tunnel over here? Am I tripping?
No, we just took it, but it's further down the other time, remember?
Yeah.
Right here, right here.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Right here. Damn, look at that stack. I don't think I've seen a stack that big.
He had fucking money.
Now that guy had money, yeah.
Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced. Contract's worth more than usual, so get it done, soldier.
Pick it up.
I think they're on our roof. I have a bunker buster though. I'll send it on the homies in.
Alright.
UAV
Well, look at the
available for
map.
tasking.
So we got those dudes in our building, those dudes ahead of us.
Negative effect.
This is going to turn into a threat on my marker.
Resurgence is about to end. Make it count.
There's dudes in here though, careful. Let's go up. Yeah, we're good here.
Hostile UAV in the area. Your squad made it to the safe zone. Gas is inbound.
This fucking building kind of sucks, mate.
Let's go across.
But we'll take it. It's one of the 10 doors. Yeah, this is the one.
Enemy UAV is
Someone's been in
online.
here, but I don't know if they're still in. I don't think so.
Sending shock charge.
Fire sales done. Prices are back to normal. Nine left. Keep the pressure on.
There we go. Alright, I think we're safe now.
Oh yeah, we're safe. Oh fuck, I mistyped that. Damn it.
Resurgence has been deactivated. This is the end game. Hostile UAV in the area.
The fuck, someone threw a
Enemy
fucking...
UAV is online. 5 squads still operational in the AO.
Somebody threw loadout.
Supply crates are restocked. Advise you to load up
Going
now.
over at the fucking window. Hold on. Watch the entrances when they go for the box.
Yeah, well, I'm right here in the bathroom across the way from you, so I'll be alright. I got your, like, cover, you know?
Yeah.
So, we're alright.
Enemy UAV overhead. All squad mates are in the safe zone. You've got gas moving in.
There's a loadout here.
On top of us, I think.
Yeah.
Oh,
Right here.
Enemy UAV is online.
Mindset.
Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy's got a sentry online. Enemy UAV overhead.
oh my.
Somebody just fucking died right outside.
I hear running, I hear running.
Yeah, me too.
They're on top of us.
Blast trap out.
And I think he fell into my mine right here. Yeah, right here.
Just throw a grenade in here. Just do anything.
I like this bathroom. Okay.
Get the eyes in the sky.
I feel safe.
Your
here.
squad's in the
In
safe
bathroom,
zone.
yeah.
What's up with the fucking thing? I'm good though.
Oh
Hit
shit.
me with the fucking crossbow.
Don't be such a crybaby. Back on your feet.
Fuck. Dude, he fucking one-shot me with the crossbow.
Clean. Fuck.
Yes.
Yeah, just make him come up here, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, he shot. Where is he?
They're right down here. Downstairs.
4 remaining. 3 squads left in the war zone. Stay alert.
Shot right here.
Advise you head to the safe zone. You've got a
We
lot
gotta
of
move
ground
the
to
gas.
Downstairs.
Incoming shot.
Fuck, you gotta run inside.
Not done yet.
Follow me, follow me.
There's a dude outside. There's a dude outside. Careful. I don't know.
Get in the zone, get in the zone. Go, 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 go. Get in the zone. Get down here. Boom, safe. Okay.
Shots takes more than that to finish me.
Alright, first corner.
Behind you. Behind you.
Safe as fuck here. Someone's flying.
They get us from up top, bro. Careful with that. Can't they reach over? Lean over or whatever?
Yeah, they are fucking trolling. They're hurt, they're broken. 2 versus 1, it's 2 versus 1.
Last chance. Finish the job.
We're good here. We also have a full gas mask. Just keep looking up.
Oh,
Oh
whoa.
shit.
Fuck, shit.
Mine?
Yeah.
Thanks for the work. UAV overflight terminated.
Should I go down?
Yeah, yeah, do it. Just survive.
Really?
He's above. Just survive the gas. I'll fight him.
No,
The
it's not
enemy never
really.
stood a chance. Nicely done.
Oh god, I like these streams that just keep going, you know? Win-win.
That's vibes.
Look at Juan trying to act like he's not addicted, like, you know? Like he's not trying to come back and shit.
That shit's crazy. I'm like, bro, were you the guy playing 12 hours a day?